Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is OGOM'S, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So if I show you where I'm standing to film this video, no, where I'm staying to film this video, you say, YouTube done the mad this girl, but no problem. Anytime idea comes to my head, I will sure deliver. So today I will be telling you or showing you social media apps for which you can drop your link or drop your YouTube video, and that way you can get more views or more subscribers. If this is a video that you will love, keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button right now to subscribe and give this video a massive thumbs up. Now, the reason why you should always give thumbs up to my video, in that way YouTube will recommend my videos to other audience. Okay, so let's get right into it. Welcome back, guys. So we'll be diving right into the social media apps for which you can drop your link in order to get more views or more subscribers. Some people tend to neglect some social media apps, saying that if I'm dropping my link there, who will subscribe to my channel, who will watch my video? You need to let people know that you're a content creator. You need to let people know that you're a YouTuber. Don't shy away from telling people what you do. If this is an app for which you make money from, even if you are yet to start making money from it, you need to take it seriously. Start dropping your link on anywhere that you get opportunity for. Okay, now the first app that we'll be talking about is our WhatsApp status. Have you ever dropped your link on your WhatsApp status? And if you haven't, why? And if you do, how has it yielded any result for you? I'm not saying that once you drop your link or your video on any social media handle, you will see different views from up and down. No, it doesn't work like that. It's just for you to create awareness for, because I noticed that our WhatsApp group, the contacts that view our status are kind of like personal to us. They're like family members and friends that have our numbers. I'm not saying that your family members will subscribe to your channel. No, some of my family members, they know that I'm a YouTuber, but then they don't know that they need to come and watch my video or subscribe to my channel. Don't depend on your family members to come and subscribe to your channel, and if they don't, you will start being angry to them. No, it's just for other of your friends to know that you're a content creator, so that when you bring out a phone around them, they won't say, oh, what are you doing? Why are you filming me and the rest of them? So make sure that you always drop your link on your WhatsApp status, because WhatsApp happens to be the first place that people kind of like open up on their phone. I don't know for you, maybe after saying their morning prayer and the rest of them. WhatsApp is the first app that people go to. What is the first app that you open up on your phone when you wake up? So make sure that you drop your link on your WhatsApp status. The link should be taken from your YouTube studio, or rather from your main YouTube page, or your main YouTube, what am I saying? The link should be taken from your main YouTube app. When you open up your YouTube app, by the three side, like I will just be doing a video by the side, by the three sides you will see share or copy. You will see different apps for which you can drop your link in that place. So just copy. When you copy it, go to your WhatsApp status, whereby you usually drop other things on your WhatsApp. Just click on that place that they will show rights or something. Drop your link there, and you can also drop your thumbnail there, and then drop the link under the thumbnail and tell people that I have dropped a new video on my YouTube channel. Please watch and subscribe. Okay, so make sure that you start dropping your links on your WhatsApp status. Okay, if you see me looking down from now always, please, I have written some things down here, and we'll be getting to the second point. Now, the second place whereby you should drop your link, your YouTube link, in order to get more views is your Facebook. Okay, now there is Facebook wall and there is Facebook page. Facebook page is whereby you create a page on Facebook with your YouTube name. That place, you will encourage people to like your videos. Now, there is a monetization that is going on, Facebook monetization, whereby you will have 10,000 followers and you can also make money on Facebook. I hope we all know that you can make money on Facebook. So it can be done through creating a page with your YouTube name. That place, anytime you drop a link or a short clip from your YouTube video, you can post it there. People get to watch it, and the more you get, more people like your page or follow that particular page. That way you will make more money, and you're diverting those audience from your Facebook page to your YouTube channel. Okay, now Facebook wall is whereby you have your own personal place whereby you post anything that you want to post there, and your friends get to also know that you're a YouTuber. Anytime you post your video, please click on the three dots that I have shown you guys. You will see whereby they say Facebook. Click on the Facebook. Write maybe we have a new video on my YouTube channel, please watch. You will say click link down below. You will do the arrow down so that people will know the link that you're talking about. In that way, they will watch the video and subscribe to your channel. Remember, it's not everyone that watch your video will subscribe. So don't get angry when people watch your video and they don't subscribe, okay? So make sure you always post your link or a short clip from your video, a short clip of your YouTube video on your Facebook wall or your Facebook page, okay? Now, the next social media app for which you can drop your link is TikTok. It's not only to go and catch cruise on TikTok, oh. It's not only to go and catch, what's that popular challenge that we usually do? That one that I will just be putting it here. Can you move to the rhythm blues? Please, it's not only to go and dance on TikTok. No, your YouTube link should be on your profile. There is a place whereby they have asked you to put your YouTube link. I don't know, I'll just be showing a picture or a video down here. Make sure your YouTube link is on your TikTok profile. Let people know that you're a YouTuber on your TikTok. I know some of us have up to 10,000 followers on TikTok. They should know that you're also a YouTuber. From time to time, post a short clip of your YouTube video. The one that you've already posted, just post a 1 minute, should be 1 minute, yeah, a 1 minute clip from that particular video and tell people to please subscribe to your channel, watch the video, and give you thumbs up. Your TikTok should have your YouTube link there. Don't always go there to go and dance or to go and catch cruise. Please make sure that people know that you're a YouTuber. Anywhere you go, preach your channel. People should know that you're a YouTuber. So make sure that your YouTube link is on your TikTok profile. Okay? Now, the next point, which is very, very important, is our Instagram status or our Instagram story, whereby you will say link is on the bio. No. Yes. Now, we have different places for which you can drop your link on your Instagram. I've noticed some people are not really active on Instagram, for which I don't really blame them. But your Instagram should contain a detailed information about yourself. You will see some people's bio, you will see fitness lover, YouTuber, and you will see people, they will drop how many subscribers that they have and how many views that they have, and then you will see their link on that bio. Okay, so make sure that your YouTube link is on your bio, and after posting your video, carry the link, go to your Instagram story. You will see a place whereby if you click on your Instagram story, I'll just be doing a video, there is an emoji for which you will see. Click on that emoji. When you click on that emoji, you will see link. Click on that link. The link for which you have copied from your YouTube, that is the link of your YouTube video for which you have posted, paste it there. When you paste it there, you're pasting it with your thumbnail, whereby when you paste it, people will be, you will put an arrow whereby they will say, click on this link down. Okay, now another tip for which you can drop your Instagram link on your YouTube link on your Instagram is whereby you're tagging YouTube creator NG. They get to repost some links or some they get to repost some thumbnail or some stories on their own story. So you'll be asking, who is YouTube Creator Engine? YouTube Creator Engine is another people that are close to YouTube that gives you a wider audience whenever you post your link. Please, I don't really know how to explain them, but they're kind of like will I say the top YouTube officials handle that page. I hope I'm correct. Please correct me in the comment section, please. So make sure that your link is always on your Instagram story whenever you post your video. Your YouTube link is always on your bio. Your YouTube link is always going ahead. Like, it should be anywhere, any social media app for which you have, your YouTube link should always be there. You can also post your thumbnail. Like, whenever you post your video, take your thumbnail and make a post with it on Instagram. All those random posts that if you snap picture and stay like this, you will post it. If you do this one and stay like this, you will post it. Yes, post your thumbnail there. When you post your thumbnail, your caption should be, I have a new video on my YouTube channel. Please make sure you watch. The link is on my bio. You're telling people to go to your bio, click the link there, or you're telling people to click the link on your story. That place, that going to your story to click the link and to watch the video for which you have dropped. Please, don't underestimate any social media app. Don't underestimate any social media app. Another social media app for which you can drop your link is Twitter. Now, it's not only about going to go and fight for obedient. No, make sure that your link is on your Twitter, or anytime you post your video, there is always an arrow telling you to share that particular link to your Twitter. I have also made a video. Click on the 3 dots that are by the side of your video, on the right hand side of your video. You will see whereby they say share, and from that share you will see different social media apps. Click on the Twitter app. The link will automatically be pasted as a post, whereby you are just, maybe you can just write random stuff. Please, I have a new video on my YouTube channel. Here is the link. Click and watch, and please don't forget to subscribe. From time to time, make a post or drop a short clip of your video on your Twitter. And also, there are so many people for which you can follow on Twitter. Tayo Aina, Vivian, there are so many people, so many big YouTubers that are on Twitter. Follow them up. From time to time, they usually make posts whereby they will ask YouTubers to drop their link, or yes, they will ask YouTubers to drop their link so that they can check out their channel. So make sure you are following all these people, so that whenever they drop a link or whenever they make a post about this, you will be aware to drop your link. And that way, other YouTubers in the comment section will know that you're a YouTuber, and they will check out your channel. So Twitter is another place for which you can drop your link. Another place for which you can drop your link is Reddit. Some people will be asking, which one is Reddit? Reddit. Reddit is a social media app. A social media app whereby you can drop your link. Now, how Reddit works is that, how do I put it? There are different communities on Reddit. There is fitness, there is motivational. There are so many communities on Reddit. Now, you will go there and search for TikTok. Now, Reddit doesn't really allow you dropping your link personally. You can only drop your link whereby maybe someone will make a post on the YouTube app, or on the YouTube community. They might say, okay, I'm doing channel audits for some people, whereby you can drop your channel. But now, my own disadvantage of Reddit is that some of the YouTubers I see there is always Oibo people, gaming channel. That is the people that I usually see on Reddit. But there is no harm in trying. Anytime these people make posts on the YouTube community and they say, drop your link, let me review your channel, or let me audit your channel, just drop your link and tell people to please subscribe to your channel, watch your video. Always remind people to watch your video from start to finish. Even if they can't watch from start to finish, make sure you tell them to watch half of that video before they subscribe to your channel. So Reddit is another social media app for which you can drop your link, your YouTube link. I will also be leaving a picture of how Reddit looks like. Okay, yeah. Now, another social media app for which you can drop your link is Facebook groups. Now, the disadvantage of dropping your links on Facebook group is that there are so many hackers or scammers or non-legit people that are on Facebook groups. I'm not saying that all of them there are scammers or hackers, but just mind the places for which you drop your link. If you see that this particular page or this particular group that you're going to drop your link, that people there are usually Oibo people, you know this Oibo, they don't really know that you should watch a video from start to finish. It's only like Nigerian content creators. That is even not all. Some Nigerian content creators know that you need to watch somebody's video from start to finish before you subscribe to the person's channel. I noticed that some Facebook groups, I'm usually seeing all these Indian people and the rest of them, but all I do on Facebook groups is just, maybe someone might ask a question, how do I get to 1,000 subscribers, or how do I get my 4,000 watch hour? I've gotten my 1,000 subscribers, but watch hour is the problem. How do I do that? You will see some people answering questions in the comment section. So all I do is just, I follow the comments that people have laid there. If there are the ones that are of benefit to me, I will pick it and go and apply that on my channel. I have not really dropped my link on Facebook groups, but some people say that they have tried out. There are so many different groups on Facebook about YouTube for which you can drop your link. There are still Nigerian content creators that still use groups to grow their page, so to grow their channel. So you can try it out, but make sure that anywhere you hear people talk about YouTube, go to the comment section, know the things that you will pick to apply on your channel. Sometimes it's not really about dropping link here and there. No, it's about how often are you creating content? How often is your content valuable? So that when people come to your channel and they watch that particular video, they will love to subscribe, so that they will get notification when you post other content on your channel. Okay, now I've told people that sometimes we might be thinking it's our family member that will take us to where we need to be. Sometimes we might be thinking it's our friends that will take us where we need to be. No, Not all our family members that support us. No, same goes in life. Not all our family members will patronize our business. They will go to other places, patronize their business, but your own, they will not patronize it. So don't get angry if people watch your video and they don't subscribe to your channel. No, your audience will come to you. Your audience will, your video will definitely get to your audience one day. All you need to do is just to be creating content. Make sure you post your link in all these places that I've mentioned. People get to know that you're a content creator. If they see you making video, tell them, oh, please, oh, I'm a content creator. Subscribe to my channel. Here is my channel name. Bring your phone. Let me show you. Make sure that you're there. They will watch that video from start to finish before they subscribe. Always preach to people to watch people's video genuinely. I'm a fan of watching people's video from start to finish before subscribing to their channel. Why some people will tell you to watch half of the video before subscribing. I always feel that me watching a video from start to finish before subscribing will definitely make my subscribe to count for that particular person. Because you will see some people, they will wake up and they will say, that I was 900 subscribers and I woke up and seeing 800. It can only happen when YouTube has done a purge, or the people that subscribe to your channel didn't do it the genuine way. Maybe they came, they just watched 2 minutes of that video and subscribed to your channel. That subscribe button, that subscribe will not count. So whenever you experience low subscribers, when you must have gotten to a certain place and you experience the low one, it might be that YouTube did a purge whereby they remove inactive members, inactive subscribers that have subscribed to our channel. Okay, but all I can tell people is drop your link anywhere you get a chance. Preach your channel, preach to whoever that needs to hear. Create content around anything. If people ask you why you're making video, please, I'm a content creator. I'm creating videos for my own channel. Okay, like I've noticed that some shops for where you go to, they won't allow you making videos. They will say that people take their shop setting and go and post and be selling things, or rather, how do I put it? If you go to, I've gone to where they sell skincare and I was trying to make a video. They told me no, that so many people have scammed others, whereby they will post their shop description or post their shop name and post on their channel, whereby they won't even deliver the products for which they have posted. They will collect money on behalf of their name and say that they're the ones selling that particular skincare product or that particular product. Okay, but sometimes me, once you tell me that you don't allow videos on in your shop or this, and it turns me off. But me, sometimes I will come, I will ask you, please, do you allow video? Can I make video? I don't like that. Thing is just like an embarrassment whereby they will come to you and tell you that they don't allow videos. But don't allow anything put you down, okay? If they say that they don't make video, another shop will allow you do video. But if you are doing your video, just make sure that you are doing it with style. You will do as if that you are combing your eyebrow or you're rubbing your hair with your phone. Make your video a move. You can share your link. Most importantly is sharing your YouTube video on your own community. Okay, make sure you're sharing your video on your community. Any video that you post today, even if you don't want to share it immediately, make sure you share it by the end of the day, or you can share it after a day. You can also share your old videos that people did not get to watch. Okay, just go down any video for which you have created maybe years back, click on the 3 dotted lines for which I have said, click on share. You will get to share it so that your audience, your new subscribers will know that you have created this kind of content. You can try to be sharing 2 videos every day until you exhaust sharing your old videos. It's very, very important for you to share your videos every time you upload. Share it on your community. It's very, very important. In that way, your audience that have missed out on the notification will know that you have posted a video for that day. Okay, don't forget this. Don't underestimate your community page. Now, okay, these are the social media apps for which you can drop your link. If there are other places for which you drop your link and you get views, please let us know in the comment section. I'm also here to learn. Okay, now I will definitely see you in my next one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and I will definitely see you in my next one. I'm no longer looking at the camera, but I just wanted to show you guys these glasses, okay? I wore these glasses and I'm doing this video directly under the sun because I'm getting darker, okay? Like I've told you guys, I'm ranting about my skin now. I'm getting darker, and if I'm not doing video whereby there is ring light or where there is sun, I notice that I'm darker in my video. So that is why I'm wearing these glasses, and then I'm filming this video directly under the sun. But don't say because you no see sun, you no see ring lights, you no go make your video. That's not an excuse. Create your content. All you need to do is just to increase the brightness of your phone. No excuse, okay? No excuse. Don't entertain any excuse, all right? I'll see you guys in my next one.